Welcome to the Arts and Sciences online educational planning presentation. My name is John Nuttles, and I am an academic advisor in the College of Arts and Sciences.
My name is Laura Haukvixie, and I'm also an advisor in Arts and Sciences. Below, you will find a link to the Arts and Sciences Educational Planning website. Please press pause and open this link to assist in the educational planning process.
You must complete at least 180 credits in order to obtain a degree from Seattle University. Those 180 credits will include 60 credits of university core requirements, 15 credits in a foreign language, 5 credits in history, 1 major, and various elective courses to reach 180 credits. This pie chart shows an example of how that would look if, for example, you had a 60-credit major, which is the average number of credits for an arts and sciences major. There is one degree that does require more than 180 credits, the Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice with a specialization in forensic science.
In total, there are 6 steps to creating your educational plan, which are highlighted in detail on the planning website. In this presentation, we are going to discuss how you can use each step to create the right educational plan for you. You might be wondering, what is an educational plan? It is a way to map out your time and the courses you will take while you are at Seattle University from now until graduation. Your educational plan will help you outline all of your requirements for your major, and it will help you stay on track. To ensure you have not missed anything, it is important to get your educational plan approved by your advisor.
When looking at the website we asked you to open before, the first step allows you to download an educational planning grid. We suggest using this as a template to create your educational plan. Download the fillable PDF or print the document and use pencil to fill it in. The grid allows you to fill in what courses you would like to take for each quarter you will be here. Most students take 3 5-credit courses, or 15 credits total, each quarter.
The second step will take you to SU Online. Please press pause and log in to your account. Once you are there, you will see this screen where you can find your program evaluation under Academic Profile. Your program evaluation will show you how all of the courses you've currently taken either here at SU or at another institution will apply to your current degree. It will list all requirements that you need to have in order to graduate with your current major. If the class has a C listed next to it, then you have completed that requirement and you do not need to include it in your educational plan. If your course has a P or I next to it, then you are currently taking it or have enrolled for it in the following quarter. If the requirement has an N next to it, then you should highlight that course and plan to include it in your educational plan.
The third step refers you to the catalog, which is an online listing of degree requirements. It brings the program evaluation to life because it includes course titles, descriptions, credits, and prerequisites. You will want to compare the courses from the catalog to your program evaluation to verify which courses you have completed and which ones you have left to take.
The fourth step is in reference to your typical program of study, which shows one way that a student might go about completing their degree. The 2-year course offerings document allows you to look ahead and see what classes are offered traditionally during which quarters. This is subject to change. However, it is a good place to start.
Step 5 will take you back to SU Online. Once you are there, you will see the screen where you can use the Search for Classes link under Registration. Here you can search for the current academic year courses to help plan for future quarters. Summer schedule is typically posted at the end of January, and the following academic year is typically posted in April. Use previous years as a guide if the quarter you are looking for is not published. However, these are subject to change.
After you have made your educational plan, please schedule an appointment with your advisor during the quarterly advising period or sooner. Since they geek out on educational planning, they know a lot of various details that might not be available on the website. Having a majority of the work on your educational plan complete prior to meeting with your advisor is super helpful and allows more room in your 30-minute appointment to ask questions and to map out other experiences you are hoping to have while studying at SU.
Thank you for watching and listening today. We look forward to meeting you soon. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions.